Transfer WhatsApp messages from old Android phone to new Android phone. For this, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date and you also have your WhatsApp in your new phone. For this, open the Play Store application and here search for WhatsApp. Make sure it is up to date. If not, tap on the update bubble if present. Simply tap open the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top of the screen and head to settings. Now from here, you have to select chats. Then scroll down. You will see transfer chats. Tap on it. Then tap on start and tap on continue. Then tap on allow. Make sure that Wi-Fi and location is enabled in your new phone. Once you do that, now simply open your WhatsApp on your new phone. Then make sure that it is registered with the same phone number, otherwise it will be of no use. Now what you have to do next is, you have to simply scan the QR from your old phone of the QR from the new phone. And once you do that, you will be able to restore all of your old messages, chats and more. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.